Get ready for our fascinating video on 8 mind-blowing foods that have a soothing effect on autoimmune disorders. Are you exhausted from the never-ending struggle with your own body? Do you suffer from persistent pain, fatigue, and bothersome inflammation that prevent you from truly savoring life's pleasures? Hey, guess what? We've got some super exciting news for you. In this awesome video, we'll spill the beans on how you can kick those pesky symptoms of autoimmune diseases to the curb and boost your overall health. And guess what? It all comes down to the fabulous power of specific foods. Autoimmune diseases. Yeah, there are a bunch of disorders where your immune system gets all confused and starts attacking your healthy tissues instead of the bad guys like viruses and bacteria. Crazy, right? But here's the kicker, there are over 80 different types of these autoimmunity troublemakers. From rheumatoid arthritis to lupus, and from type 1 diabetes to psoriasis, they may affect different parts of your body, but they have something in common, some similar symptoms. But here's the good news, you can actually tame that rebellious immune system of yours by making some awesome changes to your diet. Yep, just by adding a few super incredible foods to your daily routine, you can give yourself some much needed relief from those painful flare-ups. How cool is that? In this presentation, we will delve into precisely which 8 remarkable foods can assist in managing your autoimmune condition. So, prepare yourself with a snack, sit back, and let us commence. Number 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, ranked number 8 among popular seeds, offer a remarkable solution for enhancing your immune system and relieving symptoms of autoimmune diseases. These tiny powerhouses are packed with dense nutrients that help restore the balance of immune cells and combat chronic inflammation. One of their key attributes is the abundant presence of vitamin E. In fact, consuming 100 grams of sunflower seeds can provide twice the recommended daily intake of this crucial vitamin. So, why is vitamin E so vital for individuals with autoimmune conditions? Well, when the immune system starts attacking the body, it often indicates an imbalance between two critical cells, Th1 and Th2. Fortunately, a healthy level of vitamin E can effectively boost and rebalance these cells according to cellular laboratory studies. However, the benefits of sunflower seeds do not stop there. They also contain selenium minerals, which contribute to fighting harmful free radicals in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms associated with Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Moreover, a research study conducted by PhD students in Austria revealed that sunflower peptides possess pain-relieving properties for individuals suffering from chronic inflammatory diseases. Further research is required. However, the existing data indicates that sunflower seeds and their constituents, such as vitamin E, offer significant assistance to the body in combating autoimmune diseases. Number 7. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, often hailed as an exceptional cooking oil, possesses potential benefits in alleviating pain and reducing inflammation in individuals with autoimmune diseases. Moreover, oleocanthal antioxidants found in extra virgin olive oil have demonstrated potential as a therapeutic solution for inflammatory diseases. The Science Direct publication suggested that oleocanthal could serve as a key factor in alleviating the associated pain experienced in autoimmune diseases. Incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your meals can gradually provide the soothing advantages of this potent oil. So, the next time you desire to enhance the flavor of your dishes, consider opting for extra virgin olive oil. Your body will greatly appreciate it. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. If you're searching for a nutritious and delectable vegetable to incorporate into your diet, look no further than sweet potatoes. Whether you prefer them boiled, steamed, roasted, or mashed, sweet potatoes offer versatility and a wealth of essential nutrients that can fortify your immune system. One of the advantages of sweet potatoes is their lack of nightshade alkaloids, which have been associated with allergy-related symptoms. Instead, sweet potatoes boast high levels of potassium, beta-carotene, antioxidants, vitamin C, and vitamin A. These vital nutrients collaborate to safeguard cell health, mitigate vitamin deficiencies caused by autoimmune diseases, and alleviate inflammation. Insufficient levels of vitamin A have been linked to various autoimmune conditions, including multiple sclerosis. In a multiple sclerosis study, researchers discovered that incorporating vitamin A supplementation can reduce the presence of IFN and G cells, which are believed to play a significant role in autoimmune diseases, while also stimulating the production of protective antigens. Additionally, the beta-carotene present in sweet potatoes has demonstrated benefits for autoimmune diseases as well. A 2012 study revealed that beta-carotene can impede the production of cytokine cells, thereby reducing inflammation. Consuming a single sizable sweet potato is sufficient to meet your daily vitamin and carotene requirements. It is highly recommended to include sweet potatoes in your regular meals due to their nutritional value and delicious taste. Number 5. Fatty fish. If you enjoy fish, you're in luck. Not only is fish a delightful addition to any meal, but specific fish varieties can provide remarkable benefits for individuals with autoimmune conditions. So, what's the catch? Well, you'll want to opt for fatty fish like salmon, sardines, herring, mackerel, or anchovies. These types of fish are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which are crucial for various reasons. Why are these fatty acids so significant? Well, scientific studies have demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids can inhibit the production of an inflammatory marker called C-reactive protein. This protein is known to exacerbate autoimmune reactions. In fact, a thorough analysis of animal experiments and clinical trials revealed that incorporating fish oil supplements into one's routine can noticeably improve autoimmune diseases such as arthritis, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and lupus. All of these conditions involve elevated levels of a pro-inflammatory cytokine known as IL-1, which omega-3 fatty acids can effectively reduce. It is crucial to consume omega-3 in moderation. While individual requirements may vary, experts recommend including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week in order to enjoy the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Whether you prefer salmon, sardines, or herring, both your taste buds and immune system will greatly appreciate it. We are now halfway through our compilation of the top 8 incredible foods that have a soothing effect on autoimmune diseases. Before we proceed with the remaining 4 items, we kindly request your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and enabling notifications. This way, you will stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's resume our countdown. Number 4. Turmeric. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, shows promising effects in managing autoimmune diseases. These conditions, which can be challenging to handle, occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, causing chronic inflammation. Turmeric, a golden spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine, holds potential in calming the immune system. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, exhibits properties that can reduce the production, activation, and migration of antibodies, making it a valuable tool to balance autoimmune responses. Studies suggest that curcumin may have a preventive effect on autoimmune diseases by regulating cytokines and immune cell signaling pathways. Consequently, it can be beneficial for autoimmune-related skin and tissue disorders like multiple sclerosis and psoriasis. In fact, a randomized study found that curcumin could alleviate psoriasis plaques, particularly when combined with visible light therapy. To include additional turmeric in your diet, you may want to try incorporating it into sauces, stews, or enjoying it as a healing beverage such as a turmeric latte. However, it is crucial to combine this spice with complementary therapies to attain optimal outcomes in diminishing inflammation and restoring overall immune system balance. Effectively managing autoimmune diseases lies in the effective control of chronic inflammation. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea, a popular and widely enjoyed hot beverage across the globe, has gained increasing popularity due to its health benefits. One of its notable advantages is its potential to soothe the immune system. This tea is enriched with epigallocatechin gallate, also known as EGCG, a potent antioxidant known to inhibit the production of cytokine cells, which are associated with autoimmune diseases. Although green tea offers numerous health advantages, it is important to consider its caffeine content. To harness its healing properties without exacerbating inflammation, it is advisable to restrict consumption to a maximum of 1 cup per day or as advised by your physician. Number 2. Mushrooms. Mushrooms have gained attention for their potential health benefits. When reducing meat and dairy intake, it's important to address the potential deficiency of essential nutrients like vitamin D. Recent studies indicate that lacking vitamin D can worsen autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis, type 1 diabetes, and lupus. Luckily, there is a delicious solution available: mushrooms. Notably, wild mushrooms are particularly rich in vitamin D, providing nearly 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin D2. These wild mushrooms serve as a natural source of this essential nutrient, giving a much-needed boost to the immune system. Additionally, common white mushrooms found in grocery stores offer various compounds like phenol and ergothionine. Phenol acts as an antioxidant, combating free radicals and damaged cells, while ergothionine replenishes beneficial bacteria and fungi in the gut. Research has indicated that these compounds possess the ability to diminish oxidative stress and safeguard your tissues against pro-inflammatory cytokine markers. Essentially, they act as formidable defenders combating harmful elements within your body. Hence, the next time you seek a nutritious and delectable supplement for your meals, consider incorporating mushrooms. Whether consumed raw, cooked, or in powdered form, the potential applications are limitless, and your immune system will express gratitude for this choice. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the remarkable leafy greens. These greens hold the prestigious position of being the top contenders in leafy goodness. They are an exceptional choice when it comes to soothing autoimmune diseases, as they are brimming with a diverse array of nutrients. These include vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Moreover, leafy greens are also armed with antioxidants, which diligently combat inflammation and shield the body from the perils of free radicals. It's worth noting that these greens also harbor beneficial plant compounds like carotenoids, flavonoids, and glycosylates, all of which exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. Extensive research has conclusively demonstrated that incorporating leafy greens into your diet can effectively minimize inflammation while simultaneously bolstering immune functionality. Some of the top examples of leafy greens that provide specific benefits for autoimmune diseases are kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard. Kale is a widely recognized leafy green that is abundant in vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein. These essential nutrients aid in reducing inflammation and safeguarding the body against damage caused by free radicals. Likewise, spinach is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which possess strong anti-inflammatory properties. Collard greens, part of the brassica family that includes broccoli and cabbage, offer ample amounts of vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, as well as calcium and iron. Lastly, Swiss chard, loaded with vital nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium, potassium, and iron, is another noteworthy leafy green. Leafy greens not only contain an abundance of nutrients but are also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for weight management and blood sugar control. Incorporating them into your diet can be done in several ways, such as consuming them raw in salads, blending them into smoothies, or incorporating them into various dishes like soups, stir-fries, and sautés. Adding a variety of leafy greens to your meals can provide a multitude of health benefits, particularly for individuals with autoimmune conditions. Start incorporating these incredible greens into your diet and experience the numerous health advantages they offer. When it comes to individual dietary needs, it's important to remember that they vary, and while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Therefore, it's highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. By approaching your diet consciously, you can proactively take steps towards maintaining and leading a healthier life. We've reached the conclusion of our video presentation featuring 8 remarkable food choices that can be incorporated into your diet to alleviate symptoms of autoimmune diseases. Have you already experimented with any of these culinary options? We invite you to share your first-hand experiences in the comments section below. If you found this video informative, kindly show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss out on our latest content, which aims to provide valuable health information. Remember to prioritize your well-being and consider including these nourishing foods in your dietary routine to attain a state of enhanced happiness and improved health. Until next time, thank you for watching.